Welcome back on Deutsch Motorsport. We are now on the BMW stand at the Brussels Motor Show, and we have the all new BMW X7 just right near me here. So we're gonna have a look at the outside and inside and share maximum things so you can see and feel this car. Stay tuned. So let's start with the outside of the car. So as you can see, it is a very big car we have here. This new X7 is just huge, and in the front you recognize the BMW style. We have that huge nose in the front, really big. We have here, but looks pretty nice on the car. So about the bumper, we have the M version here. So we have two side vents and the one in the middle, just making the car look more aggressive. On this side we have those really nice looking M wheels in grey and black, glossy black. We have 22 inches wheels, look amazing with that huge brake disc behind and brake caliper. Just goes very well in the design of the car. So here at the back of the car, we recognize the BMW style, a bit like the all new X5 you have seen, but the lights here at the back are a little bit thinner and just goes very well in the global style of the car. But as you see, it is pretty big, it's tall, wide, it looks really robust on the road. And the back bumper is also on them we have here. So we have two big, almost fake exhausts, but yeah, better than some other car makers. And that tiny diffuser in the middle. So here we are in the inside of this brand new X7. So as you can see, it is as massive as the outside. And you recognize the new style we have in the interior of this X7. It is pretty much the same as the 8 or the new 3. So in this one we have the M version, so we have the M wheel with the pedal shifts here behind. The new digital cockpits from BMW, a pretty big infotainment screen here in the middle. Which is also a touchscreen. So we have all the usual applications and needed stuff to feel comfortable. And here in the middle we find back, as in the 8, the gear shifter, which is made of Swarovski. And we have all here the new contacts, which is buttons made looking like they are touch buttons. And at the back, as you can imagine, it is pretty big, really huge. We have 3 rows of seats, up to 7 people in your car, or more if you want, if you can. And it is just extremely comfortable. And it should be really nice with that Bowers and Wilkins audio system. It should be really great.